Welcome back to another episode of Reading Pandas. And how have you been? And what is Hippo doing here in our class today? Let's find out. So let's look at the other letters that we have done so far. We've done letter A, we've done B, C, D, E, F, G. And now you know which letter is going to come to our class today. It's letter H. And H makes the sound of hippo. And that's why Happy the Hippo has come to meet you today. And he also says, hello. So are we ready? Let's go. And you know which letter is visiting us today? Correct. It's letter H. This is our uppercase H. And this is lowercase h. And Happy the Hippo says hi. Hi. And do you know what sound this letter H makes? It makes the sound of because that's the way Happy the Hippo goes stomping. And do you know who are the other friends of this letter H? Yes? Let's see. So, H for hamster, H for horse, H for hen, H honey, H helicopter, and we have honeybee. Very good. So these are all the friends of letter H. And do not forget, this letter H makes the sound of Very, very good. And now it's story time.
On a beautiful hill, in a house lived Happy the Hippo. One day, Happy the Hippo said,
I want to meet my friend Hoppity Horse, but I need to buy a gift for Hoppity. Let me wear a hat and go.
Happy met Hee the honeybee.
Hello, honeybee. Hee honeybee. How are you? Can you give me a bottle of honey for my friend Hoppity Horse? Of course, of course. The best honey for your friend Hoppity Horse. Let me go and get for you. All right, all right. This is the best honey for your friend. Thank you so much, Hee honeybee.
Soon, Happy met Henry the hen.
Hi, Henry. How are you? Oh, my tummy really hurts, Happy. Can you please help me? Of course, I have the best honey and it'll really help you. Oh, thank you. You're really very, very kind-hearted. See you.
Soon, Happy met Humpty the hamster.
Hi, Humpty. How are you? Oh, I got burnt and it really hurts. Can you please help me, Happy? Oh yes, I have the best honey and this will really soothe you. Oh, please take this. Oh, thank you. You're so kind-hearted. Have a good time.
Soon, Happy reached on top of the hill where lived Hoppity the horse.
Happy, I'm so happy to see you. And what did you get for me? Oh, I'm so sad. I bought you the best honey from Hee the honeybee. But the hamster and Henry the hen were not well, so I had to use it for them. I'm so sorry. Why are you sorry? You are a very, very kind-hearted hippo. And let me give you a surprise instead. A surprise for me? Oh, can I see what it is? Oh, yes. I have a heart for you. A heart for me? Let me see. Let me see the heart. Oh, this is so lovely. I love this heart. Thank you, Hoppity the horse. You're my best friend. love this heart. The horse loves this heart. We are a happy family. A hug to the hamster, hen and honeybee. We are a happy family.
And now it's song time. We're going to sing a song on Happy the Hippo. And do not forget, hippo begins with the sound ha, ha, ha. So are we ready? Yeah. Alright, let's begin. Happy the hippo walks on his farm. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. He swings his hips as he walks on the farm. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. He met some bees hiding in their hives. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Then he met a hamster in a ditch. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Happy the hippo met a hen who went cluck, cluck now and then. Then Happy met Hoppity the horse. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Hoppity the horse hugged Happy tight and he gave him a heart. Ho, ho, ha. And now it's craft time. And you know what are we supposed to do? Before we begin, make sure you have the letter H cut out and you've colored it nicely. And we have all these cutouts here which have already been provided in the document and some glue. So are we ready? You know what are we making with this letter H? Can you guess? Correct. We are going to make Happy the hippo. And Happy the hippo makes the sound of ha, ha, ha. So are we ready? Yes. Let's begin. So I want you to take this cutout here and make sure you put some glue on this, and we're going to give him Happy the hippo is getting his leg. And then we take another leg, put in some glue here, and we have another leg. Happy is getting ready. And now we take the third leg. I want you to put some glue on this and we paste it like this. Very good. And then we take the fourth one, put some glue on this and we paste it here. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Happy the hippo has got his 4 legs, and now we have to give him this is his face. So let's put some glue on this. Correct. And now we're going to put it here right in the center. Wow. Oh, but Happy the hippo is sad. We've not given him his tail. So here you can take this tail, apply some glue, and Happy the hippo gets his tail. And now Happy is happy. And for doing this, Happy the hippo gives you a heart. H for heart and H for hippo. And now it's hula hoop time. And what am I wearing? I'm wearing a H for helmet, and this is my H for hula hoop. So are we ready for some hopping time in the hula hoop? Yes? So we are going to place this hula hoop here and we are going to go hoppity hop inside. We're going to pick up a card. Are we ready? Alright. So 1, 2 and 3. Let's hop in. And let's pick up a card. And now hop out. And now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a fox. And fox begins with what sound? It's Absolutely correct. And you get a star for this. Very good. And now let's hop in again. 1, 2, 3 and hoppity hop. And we pick up a card. And let's hop out. Can you tell me what is this? Yes? Yes, it's a helicopter. And helicopter begins with what sound? Come on, can you tell me? Is it B?
No!
No, it's helicopter. And now you get a heart for this. Very good. Are we having fun?
Yes!
Let's go hoppity hop again. And we hop. And we pick up a card here. And I hop out. Oops, what's this? This is a guitar. Now when I say guitar, what sound do you hear? Is it f for guitar?
No!
No, it's correct. It's G for guitar. And you get a smiley for this. Very good. And now we hop in one more time. Ready, steady and hop. And we pick up our last card. What's this? This is a hammer. Hammer. And what sound did you hear when I said the word hammer? Could you tell me? Yes? Is it A?
No!
No. Is it D?
No!
No. Correct. It's H for hammer. And you once again get a dazzling star for this. Very, very good. So did you enjoy this hula hoop activity in where you wore your helmet and we went hoppity hop?
Yes!
And now it's worksheet time. I want you to keep this worksheet ready. Quickly go and grab a marker or a crayon. And let me explain what are we going to do here. So this is a house. And we have all these pictures here. But we are only going to circle the pictures that begin with the sound So are we ready? All right, let's begin. So here we have a balloon. And balloon begins with which sound? Yes, it's balloon. So can we circle it for her?
No!
No. And here we have a helicopter. Now helicopter begins with the sound Yes, so let's circle this helicopter. Very good. And what do we have here? This is a helmet. And when I say helmet, it begins with the sound again. So let's circle that. Here we are circling the helmet. Now moving on inside the house, there's a butterfly. Does butterfly begin with the sound
No!
No, it begins with the sound B. So let's circle this. Ooh, we cannot circle the butterfly. It doesn't begin with the sound Yes, we cannot circle that. Now moving on to the next picture, we have the ambulance. And ambulance begins with the sound A. It's not her friend, so we cannot circle that. And besides this, we have a hat. And hat begins with the sound So let's circle the hat. Yes, correct. And now here, below this we have cake. And you know what? Cake begins with the sound K. So we cannot circle. It's not her friend. And then we have the hamster. You know, hamster begins with the sound H. So let's circle the hamster here. Yes. And we have a girl. Now girl begins with the sound G. Can we circle girl? No. No. And here we have fish. We all know fish begins with the sound. So fish is her friend. Can we circle fish? No. No. And then we have a hammer. And hammer begins with the sound hammer. So we got to circle that. Correct. So here we go. Hammer also begins with the sound H. And finally here we have the hornbill. The hornbill is this beautiful bird and it begins with which sound? Hornbill. So this is going to be her friend? Yes. Yes? So should we circle that? Yes. Correct. Yes, and we circle her hornbill. And here in this worksheet, we have circled all the friends that begin with the sound H. And for doing this worksheet, I have to give you something. And you get a heart. Wow. Isn't this lovely? H for heart. So here we end the letter H tutorial. Hope you had a good time with all the activities and of course, Happy the Hippo. So I'll see you soon again with the next alphabet. Bye-bye. And Happy says bye too. Goodbye.